there they go, disappeared into the grass. Like a turkey will do. That was kind of cool though. Off we go. Well, happy Humpers Day, tubers and friends, rock hounds alike. Out here in Big C today, just by myself. Just been out here a little while. Found a bullet and picked up 2 broken blades. They'll look cool on the cleanup. Some cool material. Out here wandering around. We had some rain Sunday, Monday morning, and then yesterday, not no heavy rain, but enough, I guess. Enough to tempt a feller to get out. But right over there is some old muddy footprint. Right there be a blade. 1, 2 rows over. So I chose it's rained enough to wash some stuff off, and then this corn's kind of starting to die off, and you can kind of see around in it a little bit. It's still in the way in a lot of places. No telling what's hiding. Nice, colorful mosaic blade right there. This spot's always been good for some decent blades. Well, look at the bit end on that side. Almost call that a really nice edge. Some cool material. But that'll look sweet on the cleanup. Almost looks sweet as it is. Maybe a little tractor ding out of her right there, but other than that, that looks whole. Sweet. Thank you, Great Spirit. Thank you all for coming along. Let's see what else we can find. It's a nice cloudy day. Little breeze going on. I was out in a little sea, but it's a mess. They combined it some, but it's just a mess. The creek got up in it, and where it washed the corn over there, they just kind of like brush hogged it and left it lay, which I thought they was gonna rake it up because it was full of ears, full of all kinds of good corn. But they just left it lay, and it's just laying there rotting. But we'll quit yakking and get off here, see what else we can find. Thanks for always coming along. I had just picked up this big tool here. Got a piece knocked off of it. I don't know, maybe made that way. And then just spotted this, and it's broke. Man, look at the colors in that thing. What a heartbreaker that is. That banded mosaic. That's been one cool side notch. Face broke off too. Hard to say what it would have been. Cool piece though. Awesome colors. Thank you, Great Spirit. Boy, it got warm. But it's fixing to cloud up on me again, but looks like it might bring some rain. I don't want that. Still pretty early. I just spotted this sticking up. Hoping it's whole. It's got a little pressure. Oh, no, just a broken hand. Man, what a Etley that would have been. Serious heartbreaker there. Oh well, we like them all. Thank you, Great Spirit. Another little round ball. Oops, dropped my stick. But see, you can see where it had that little tit thing. I cut it off. That's right there. right there. I mean, you seen. Oops, sorry. Oh, 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 oh. At least I don't think it's, if it does rain, it can rain too hard. A lot of rocks to look at here. Oh man, just a lot of rock. You can at least finally see through some of the corn. But I still wish it was all washed away. So much stone in here, you know there's got to be an arrowhead hiding. Even if it's just a broken one. Like, see, look at all this rock that's been hiding up inside that corn row. I haven't been able to see for the most part. Well, I thought maybe if I was gonna find a live action anywhere, this would be the spot. But there's no telling, sometimes it can be 5 rows down that way and just barely sticking out. Can't see it from here. And so much stuff like this, a guy could just move all day long. Move all day long. Oh, something's itching me in the back. Something's getting me. Lots of colorful rock. Where's that one colorful bird point? Or that one colorful arrowhead? I ain't too picky. Even though I did find a nice adze blade. I think it's a blade that was broken, made into an adze. Could be wrong. Could just been a nicely made adze and a steep bit end on it. I don't even know why I got these sunglasses with me today. It's cloudy out. Don't need them. Keep getting in my way. Well, I won't bore you any longer. Don't think we're gonna find a live action. Not in this row anyways. We got a lot of dirt to look at out here today. But it's been pretty good so far. For a little bit I've looked at, I've picked up quite a bit. Well, we'll get off here. Thanks for always watching. Oh, I was just strolling along. Look what I spied. All washed out. Dixon City, baby. Looks like it's got a little shoulder ding on this side. Ooh, maybe not. Tips all there, boy. That's a thin dude. Yeah, it's all there. That shoulder's made that way. Perfect. Awesome. Man, he's not perfectly symmetrical, but he's perfect for me. And translucent material, kind of cloudy. Sun ain't gonna show it that great. Awesome, just awesome. I knew there had to be a nice Dixon out here somewhere. Killer. Thank you, Great Spirit. Thank you, everyone, for coming along. And, we're having a good day. I love good days. Don't you love good days? Right there. That's what life's all about. Starting to rain. Pretty dark back over that hill and thundering. I don't know if I should shag or try and walk a little bit longer. But just finally found what I've been looking for. Except it's broke. gut. I wanted to find a birdie today so bad. Sequoia, missing the tip, missing some of the base knocked off. Well, it'll work. Thank you, Great Spirit. Maybe I get lucky and find another one if I walk fast enough before it really starts raining. I'm gonna get soaked before I get back to my dad's truck. Well, we'll get off here, see what else we can find before we get chased off by the horseflies and the rain. Which whenever bites me the worst first. Well, I think I'm fixing to get wet. I hated it. I didn't want it to rain till tomorrow or later again. Look at this heartbreaker, would you? Man, look at the colors in that Atlee. And look how thin it was, man. Paper thin. Wow. What a shame. Let's see what just so much rain will uncover. Well, I guess that just means just good hard rain here and another rain. Be good to come back. Guess I'm on my way to start walking out. Any drops on the lens? Nope. Ooh, you had to see my ugly mug. Man, I wish that would have been all. Wow. Wow, what an amazing piece of Burlington that is there. Maybe Mozarkite. It comes in colors like that. Natural pinks and reds and everything. Got a full tool. Well, yeah. Some kind of chopper. Little piece of live action in the rain. I have to put this in pocket. I know it won't get broke any more than what it is already. Good thing about my camera being waterproof, the rain sure ain't gonna hurt it. And I won't melt that much. I'm not very sweet anyways. Well, here we are at home with a quick little cleanup. Some broken blades I found. This one here is made out of some oolitic Mozarkite. Looks all sugary quartz and sparkly looking. Always love that material. That's the second blade I found. Look at the base of that thing, man. That'd have been a huge blade. Huge blade. Then had this rough looking chopper tool here. And then another broken blade. And some kind of other tool. I don't know if it's missing this piece right here or if that's how it was made. That piece almost looks like that's how it was made. Some outer core on it right there. Just a big old rough tool. And here's like a round sided scraper. Some killer Mozarkite. Let's see, little base I'd found. Oh, I found this walking on my way out. Little drill tip. Shame the rest of the drill wasn't there. A little broken Sequoia birdie I found. Oh, this busted Atlee here was sticking up out of the dirt. That'd have been a nice piece. Some broken piece of something. This banded Mozarkite Hopewell point. Shame it was broke. Gotta love that banded stuff. Then this heartbreaker here. Man. I mean, that dude there. And look how it's like paper freaking thin. Probably broke during manufacturing or because of this outer core on it. It's hard to say. Wasn't there when it happened. But man, it would have been awesome to find that whole piece hole. And there was my first hole find. This ad's got a heck of a bit end on it there. Got some serious polish on this end here. And get that to glare off the light just right. I mean, some serious polish thing going on right in there. I mean, it's like smooth as glass. Same on this side, just heavily, heavily polished. Pretty cool piece. Oh, my 2 bullets. Can't forget my 2 bullets. This one here shot someone. Hit someone. Then my day maker. This awesome little Dixon. Completely there. I mean, just had a needle tip and a little bit of the tip knocked off. But other than that, all there. And it's got some superior translucent material to it. But better lighting. But pretty awesome. Makes for a good day. And it's always good when you get chased off by rain, because then you know you can go back. So hopefully we'll be back out this weekend. Actually, maybe out a couple times this weekend. But as always, man, thank you all for your comments and your views. It's you guys that rock, literally. Thanks for coming along and enjoying my day. I enjoyed it very much, very much. One Dixon a day keeps the doctor at bay. Yeah. Later, guys. Have a good week, everyone.
To put things in perspective. See, I got me one fine guitar, and I got me a good woman. Said she loves me. She tells me so straight from her heart. And the kids are hanging on academically, so I think they're pretty damn smart. And I think about how lucky a man could be to have all of this in his life. Then a warm rush feeling comes over me as I realize this life is mine. This life is mine. It's all that I got. You get what you make out of your given life. But it ain't for everyone. That's only right. But it suits me fine. This life is mine. In his life.